Today's tech tip is all about brain breaks and how important they are for students and for us as adults to have as well. What I've done is I've put together a slide deck of the brain breaks that we've been using in some of our PD and some other brain breaks that we might want to use in the future. And I thought I would share this slide deck with you. You can make a copy of it, use it as you wish. So first of all, the first slide of the slide deck gives credit to Mike Morris, where I got these ideas from. The handout that has all of the different brain breaks on it towards the end of the handout is from a class I took called Let's Get Physical about how important movement is for students. And then Mike Morris has a website as well. He is a PE teacher from back east. So these are all the different brain breaks that we could have. And the way this slide deck is set up is there's a spinner that you can go to and spin. I'll show you how it works. Click on it. It'll take you to a Flippity that I've created. And you spin it, and it will randomly pick a brain break. Head, shoulders, knees, belly button. I thought that was interesting, but it's actually kind of fun. So then you would go back to the slide deck and just click on that brain break, and it would take you straight to the slide. Now, before you just jump in and do this, it's good to know that in the slide deck, I've put all of the directions for each brain break under that brain break. So walk this way, or imaginary ball toss, will take you straight to that slide. So if the bum is numb, the brain is the same. Love that one. So this is a brain break for ball toss, and the directions are right below it of what you're supposed to do for ball toss. It's an imaginary ball toss. Students throw it back and forth. Winners stay standing. Winners would be the ones holding the ball when you stop the music. And then in the end, you do a silent cheer for the two finalists using the music from over here. So that's how it works. If I were to go to a different slide, like hand, shoulders, knees, belly button, head, shoulders, knees, belly button, there's a slide for the students to see, and then your directions are down below it, and it's the same for all of them. Finally, this slide deck is a work in progress. The mindfulness slide I got from a different workshop I went to that gives a 3-minute little video about mindfulness, and then there's just a 1-minute breathing exercise that goes with it, and I'm adding more mindfulness things to it as I find them. So you can make a copy of this by clicking on the link in the email or typing in bit.ly/brainbreak101, and it'll force a copy, and then try some of these brain breaks in class. Have a great day.